Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're capping off the week looking at what else but gold and oil. The energies are really giving a lot of traders the big opportunities in the market, and gold is seemingly creeping up after having a slight consolidation for the last couple of trading sessions. So now we're seeing gold roughly just tipping the 1990 area, and if we do break that, then we could see another test at 2000 by the end of this trading day. If not, then next week it's looking likely that we will have another push unless we have a big sell-off in the market. But obviously with geopolitical tensions still heightened, and the fact that there is this worry about oil restraints as well in the Arabic states, we looking likely that we could have more of a swing on oil as well. But let's look on gold first of all. We've got it on the daily chart once again, and we're just seeing at the moment that on the RSI we are slightly overbought, so we could be heading for a slight correction. But if you look in the last couple of trading sessions, we did have this slowdown after this $150 move to the upside since we hit this kind of triple bottom here. So with that being said, with the push and this kind of aggressive impulse that we've been seeing for the last few trading sessions, will we now see more of a turn and a nice push? As I said, we got up to 1996, 1997 before we had this correction, but now we're creeping up nicely back into that territory once again. So this is really giving a lot of traders the impetus that we will have another test at 2000. Let's see if it actually happens or not though by the end of today. Looking on the 4-hour chart, as I said, we're in this area of consolidation, but since this jump of roughly about $10 in the previous trading sessions, we've seen another push to the upside. So we're just seeing now what is in store for gold, where we're going next for the yellow metal, and just seeing where we are now pushing in the meantime as well. So in that sense, let's just take a look on oil, because like I said, oil has seen quite a bit of a sell-off since we had this peak roughly up to the mid $90 area, and obviously that was when tensions were really at their peak in the last couple of weeks. So with that being said, now that we're having this kind of choppy move to the downside, we almost tested a double bottom at the $80 area before we had another bounce. But is there going to be another sell-off on oil? Well, recession fears are fading away, especially in America. We haven't really had too much of a worry about OPEC at the moment with the Middle Eastern tensions that are going on. So if that doesn't really come into fruition, if that doesn't happen, then we could see more of a sell-off on oil when we'll be looking at this kind of V-shaped recovery to the downside, back down to just below $80. So another few dollars to go before that happens, but obviously there's a lot of time to go before then anyway. And if we just look on the 4-hour chart, we're just basically waiting for the next big fundamental news announcement. Obviously, we've got the Fed interest rate decision next week. We've also got non-farm payroll numbers as well. This could really start shaking the market quite significantly. But as I said, we're having just this, if we just look on the intraday time frame, we're just seeing now that price action is very choppy. We almost got a head and shoulders pattern here before moving to the downside. And as I said, almost testing that $80 area. If we do break that, then expect a possible move back down to $77, $76 again, possibly by the end of this trading day or early next week as well. But obviously we'll bring you all the latest in the big moves in the market as they happen and keep you informed on our Telegram and YouTube channels. So until then, have a great trading day ahead, great trading weekend ahead if you are trading it, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.